Hello, I'm Josh from Intelenet Network Solutions, your end-to-end network solutions leader. Today I'd like to go over some of our modular crimp tools. Here we have our 211062. This strips and cuts the cable. It has a SK5 blade and a lifetime warranty. This tool crimps RJ45 8-position 8 contact down to 8-position 2 contact. Next, we have our 211048. This is an all-in-one professional modular crimping tool. This crimper can also cut and strip flat or round wire. The crimper can crimp RJ45, RJ12, and RJ11 modular plugs and has a lifetime warranty. The crimper also has durable plastic handles and ratchets to control the tension. Next, we have our 790352. This works with Intelenet's fast crimp modular plugs. The crimper also cuts and strips both round and flat cable. The crimper comes with laser marked wiring guide for proper wire sequencing. This crimper also comes with a lifetime warranty. Last, we have our 780124. This is a universal modular crimping tool with built-in cable tester. You can cut, strip, terminate, and test all with this one tool. The crimper is compatible with RJ45, RJ11, RJ12, and RJ22 modular plugs. The tester can test Cat 3, Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6, and Cat 6a. There's 9 LEDs to show test results for all 4 pairs, shielding if available, and fail indicator for short, miswire reversal, and split pairs. This crimper uses an LR44 battery, which is not included and comes with a 3-year warranty. For more information on our modular crimp tools and how Intelenet can help make your install easier, please visit intelenetsolutions.com or reach out to your sales rep.